What's that feeling? Let's catch it! When my socks feel scratchy, I go grrr. When my ice cream slips, whoa, there it went blur. My face goes spicy, my eyebrows tight. I'm like a tiny dragon, ready to bite. But wait, pause, what's the name today? If I can name it, I can lead the way. Name it, tame it, don't be shy. Feelings pop like popcorn wine. Mad or sad or what is that? Say the word, boom, cool like that. Sometimes I'm sad like a puddle in shoes. Sometimes I'm proud like a parade with a kazoo. Sometimes I'm scared of the dark in my room. Then it's just my jacket looking like boom. Feelings can be silly, feelings can be loud, but naming them makes me feel brave and proud. Name it, tame it, don't be shy. Feelings pop like popcorn wine. Mad or sad or what is that? Say the word, boom, cool like that. I say I feel. You say the word. Angry, sad, worried, glad. Take a breath, nice and slow. Now choose your next step.